Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share with you the latest developments from one of Edmond's newest neighborhoods, Covell Ranch. Situated in East Edmond, Covell Ranch is currently in phase 1 of construction and offers a range of thoughtfully designed homes. Today, I'll be showcasing 3 exceptional move-in ready homes, each priced under the $265,000 mark. The Armstrong, the Foster, and the Murrow. Each of these homes offer 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with various square footage floor plans. Each of these homes is part of a community that features 7 distinct floor plans, ranging from 3 to 4 bedrooms and 1,209 to 1,840 square feet. Residents of Covell Ranch will enjoy access to top-rated schools, lush parks, nearby shopping, and vibrant entertainment options, all within the charming city of Edmond, Oklahoma. If this is your first time here and you want to know everything about buying and selling a home in Oklahoma City or any of the surrounding suburbs, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest information. Hey, if you find our information and content helpful, please share it with anyone you know who's considering a move to the Oklahoma City Metro. Your support means a lot, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below with your questions or feedback. It helps us tailor content that brings real value to your life. Hello, I'm Richard Lemons, a dedicated realtor with Encore Realty serving the Oklahoma City Metro. I specialize in providing comprehensive real estate services, offering you all the information you need to make informed decisions without any of the pressure. I help people like you every day, whether you're looking to buy or sell, and I absolutely love what I do. Whether you're planning to move in 90 days or 9 months, it's never too early to get started. Feel free to call, text, or email me. I'm here to make your move to Oklahoma City seamless and stress-free. You'll find my contact information pinned in the comments section below. Join me now as we explore these beautiful homes and discover what makes Covell Ranch a desirable place to call home. The Murrow floor plan offers a versatile living space ideal for a variety of lifestyles. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,472 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. With an attached 2-car garage, this property is currently listed at slightly more than $264,000. I really want you to see this gorgeous home inside. Follow me in. Let's go look at it. Its spacious kitchen seamlessly flows into the central living area, creating the perfect environment for entertaining or relaxing. The kitchen boasts ample cabinetry and generous counter space and awesome built-in appliances, providing everything needed to unleash the inner chef. The primary suite and additional bedrooms are well-sized to fit various furniture styles while offering plenty of storage options. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, an empty nest couple, or a couple looking for a home to move down to, this is for you. Welcome to the Armstrong. This floor plan features a spacious, open layout designed for comfortable living from the moment you step inside. Currently priced at slightly less than $250,000, the Armstrong floor plan is an excellent value, offering modern living in a home designed to meet your needs and exceed expectations. This home features 1,301 square feet that includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car attached garage. Come follow me and I'll guide you through this wonderful home. Come on, let's go see it. Step outside to discover a covered patio that extends your living space into the outdoors. This area is perfect for hosting gatherings, enjoying morning coffee, or unwinding after a long day. The patio's design ensures you can enjoy outdoor activities regardless of the Oklahoma weather. The expansive master suite includes a private ensuite bathroom for ultimate relaxation. Each secondary bedroom offers generous space, making them available for either a bedroom for the children or maybe even a home office. Discover why many call this home the perfect first-time buy they never expected to find within this price point. Everything you need for convenient and stylish living. Introducing the Foster floor plan in Covell Ranch, a newly constructed home in Edmond, Oklahoma, completed in 2024. This residence offers 1,355 square feet of living space, encompassing 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, with a listing price of slightly less than $260K. The Foster and all the Covell Ranch plans are equipped with electric central heating and cooling that ensures comfort throughout the Oklahoma's variable seasons. Come walk with me and take a view of this home. Additionally, a cleverly designed alcove provides the perfect spot for a dresser, optimizing room space without compromising on style. The master bedroom serves as a tranquil retreat within the home. The well-appointed ensuite bathroom features modern fixtures and a comfortable layout, ensuring a relaxing experience. It includes a spacious walk-in closet offering abundant storage for your wardrobe. The Foster floor plan features an expansive family room that flows effortlessly into the kitchen and dining room, creating a bright and inviting space for gatherings. This layout enhances connectivity and ensures that the heart of the home remains warm and welcoming. For culinary enthusiasts, the kitchen is a standout feature. It boasts energy-efficient appliances by Frigidaire, ample cabinetry, and generous counter space, providing a functional and stylish area for meal prep. Whether you're crafting a quick breakfast or an elaborate dinner, this kitchen accommodates all your cooking needs. This neighborhood offers a range of amenities and is conveniently located near top-rated schools, parks, shopping centers, and entertainment options. Living here provides a balanced lifestyle with both urban conveniences and suburban tranquility. Thank you for taking time to view this home tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Leave me a comment below and tell me how you feel about this home. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for future updates on the channel.